Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a new notebook in OneNote. It's really easy and simple. So basically to create this, you just open up the application, of course, and then you're going to come here at the top left and click on File and at the top menu, okay? And then what I need you to do is go ahead and select New, okay? Click on this. And now here we have a bunch of options. So usually people go ahead and save their notebook on their OneDrive, but we have other options as well, right? You just choose whatever location you prefer. You can go ahead and save this on your PC as well, right? Or you can browse through your PC and find out where you want to go ahead and save it. Now, of course, you need to have a name, okay, for your notebook. You need to enter a name. So let's do study notes. We'll do that as the name and then just click on create notebook, okay? And there we go. Really that easy and simple.